Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to pump up a bicycle tire. And this will be the easiest tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a bicycle tire and it is obviously flat, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to pump it up. Really easy to do. All that you need is a pump of some sort. You can use a hand pump. I actually have this electronic pump, this battery powered pump. A little bit faster, a little bit better, but whatever, any pump will work, to be honest with you. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the cap over here. So I'm gonna twist this counterclockwise to remove the cap, okay? And what that's going to do is that's going to remove, we've removed the cap, as you can see. I'm going to place it just to the side over here. Hopefully it doesn't roll away. But what we've done, we've removed the cap, so now we've exposed the valve stem. I was getting lost with my words right there. I believe this is called the valve stem, but basically you take off the cap and this thing, you can now access that thing right there. Simple. All that you need to do is take your pump over here, okay? And you're going to want to make sure your pump is open like this, okay? And then you're going to place it on that thing over there, on what I call the valve stem. I'm not sure if that's the official name. I can't remember. But you're going to place it on that thing over there and you're going to lock it down in position. So make sure it's open. Place it on there, okay? Just like that. Give it a little bit of pressure so it's nice and firmly on there and lock it down like that, okay? Now this is locked in place. Look, you can see it's not going to go anywhere, as you can see right there. And all I have to do is pump it up. So if you have a hand pump, you're going to go ahead and pump it by hand. If you have one of these pumps over here, you're just going to go ahead and electronically or battery powered, get some air in there. So I'm just going to hold this button down. And as you can see now, it's pumping up. You can actually see the tire lifting up, which is really cool. And you can see, I'll try and get it to, there you go. The pressure of the tire is increasing. Now, when you're doing this, you got to make sure you're staying within the guidelines of what the pressure for the tire allows. So look on the sidewall of the tire, and it's going to tell you usually a pressure or a range of pressures that you have to stay within. So make sure you're staying within the guidelines of what is written down on the tire. I'm not going to pump this up all the way. I'm just showing you just a general idea of how to do it. Okay? So I'm just going to stop, and I'm just going to stop right there. I've shown you how to do it. Now, what you want to do is, and like I said, I'm not pumping it up all the way. I just wanted to show you how to pump it up. What you want to do, just the basics of pumping it up, I wanted to show you. That's what I should say. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to remove this. So you're going to flip this up, and you're going to try and quickly take it off, because when you flip it up and this is still on, it might let out some air. So watch how quickly I'm going to do it. Just like that. Like a ninja. Basically, I'm like a ninja. That's how fast that was, okay? So we basically flipped this up to open it up and unlock it, and then we popped it off so that it would not let out any additional air, okay? So if you let out a little bit of air, it's not the end of the world, but you want to try and let out as little as possible. Then you want to make sure you take your cap and you twist it back on, just like that, okay? And it's not going on for some reason. Let me see. It's like just spinning continually. No, there we go. Yeah, one more twist. Perfect. That is on there. I'm a father, so I got to use the dad joke. That's not going anywhere. Anyways, that's basically it. Like I said, you can use a battery-powered pump just like this one over here, or you could use a hand pump that you have to go up and down. Doesn't matter. It's all the same idea. But that's truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. And yeah, I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.